YVR right now. We are getting ready to take off, but it's gonna be a couple hours. We just checked in our luggage. It's around
We used to have each other's
and our flight is
playlists.
at 2:30. It is 30 minutes delayed, and I've never been
Used
on a
to be
flight
each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine.
This is our Airbnb for Japan, and it's pretty small, but pretty big for a Japan place. But it has a kitchen, mini fridge. If you go back here, there's a bedroom with 2 beds. And then in here, we have like the bathroom, and then there's like a bathtub in there, so not bad. I am currently by myself because I don't know if it was the airplane food or just like my body adjusting to the time difference, but I've just had like a really bad like reaction, and I'm just like not feeling well. So my family went out to go eat without me. It's about 9 p.m. this time, so I'm ready to go to bed because it's like 4 a.m. for us, and I definitely want to get all my rest for tomorrow. Good morning. It is I think around 10, 11 a.m. But I woke up like at 6 and I couldn't fall asleep, and then I eventually did. But we are walking around, gonna find some 100 yen shops, and yeah, see what the day brings us.
Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through.
We are at this store called Don Quixote, Donkey for short. It's pretty much a 7-floor department store, and they sell literally everything. So luckily there's tax-free, and we spent over like right about 100, and now we're just chilling waiting for them to bag our stuff, which is kind of odd.
We belong together, me and you forever. Forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
It is 9 p.m., but we're just walking home. We just came back from the Shibuya crossing again because we wanted to see it at night. So it was like not bad, just very crowded. Did a little bit of shopping, and now time to relax because my back and my feet are killing me. Day 3. Oh, so pretty. Passed by this alleyway, it's so cute. Anyways, we are going to the kimono place right now, and it is 9 in the morning. So I ended up waking up around 7. It's not bad.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high. the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice, hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's now high. When you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Today, and we are at Shingawa Station. We're just trying to grab some breakfast right now, but it is around 7:45 and our train is at 8 to Kyoto.
You fall a long way down. You're the only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under the sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view, my view.
Osaka now at the I think Untonburi, and it's crowded.
Never got a sound.
We took like 4 trains to get here. So we came from Kyoto, which went to Osaka Station, and then we had to go transfer to a station to get here. So my feet really hurt.
There's no one like you. Yeah. There's no one like you. Painting my view.
Just waiting for the train back to our Airbnb. It's gonna be 2.5 hours from Osaka back to Shinjuku. So it's about almost 8 o'clock, 7:30, and we're just kind of waiting around. Ohio, today is Friday, and me and Courtney are just walking to Donkey by our station just to pick up a few things, and then I want to go to Starbucks and grab one of their cute sakura cups. But it is 10 a.m. and today is super blue, but
doing things that I usually don't.
Courtney bought this a banana milk thing, and you're supposed to smash the banana inside because they give you this whole one.
Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. sliding doors, just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it.
Today it is raining. It is definitely a colder day today, so and we're gonna go to Akihabara today to do some more shopping on our last day. We are at a pasta place, surprisingly, and they have a Japanese spin. So can't wait to try that out.
Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
It is kind of sprinkling now, and we're just walking home because we want to rest our feet and our shoes are kind of wet. But finally I picked up some matcha. I haven't tried it yet. The thing is, when you're in Japan, you're not allowed to drink or eat while walking just because of the cleanliness. So we're almost home and then we're gonna try it out. What's really interesting is everybody seems to really like clear umbrellas here, and they sell it pretty much everywhere. But it's super cheap and affordable, so everyone has just clear umbrellas everywhere.
Wow, that's really good.
Oh, that's like, oh yeah, it's good. Yeah. So if we got the sweet one, it's actually, I wouldn't say it's like so sweet, but the matcha and the sweetness definitely blend together, and there's no aftertaste, which I think is like different.
All my friends think I'm somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through a hotel lobby. Ain't the same when I'm on my own. On my own.
On our way back home, we ended up going back to Shibuya for shopping, and it's about, I want to say almost 10, and so it's our last walk home in Japan. What is so cool is if you go down an alley, there's like hidden restaurants, and they're pretty much like open at night. Everything is either built up or hidden in an alley or downstairs.